Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 13.6 inch touchscreen radio replacement special for Lexus LX570 27 to 15 years. Okay, let me review. You can check this come with special harness and special harness. This special car harness will come with head unit. This higher level harness and with amplifier wire. This is for factory amplifier. This higher configure and this harness for the low level is connected and special harness. Okay, it's plug and play, and this front head unit is built in the microphone. Their microphone and this reset hole. Okay. And this AC information, you can control the setting on this panel and adjust the AC climate control panel. Okay, this is front home, and there are two theme styles in the settings. And this all apps are here. It's built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. And built-in Google Maps. This is built Google Maps. And this is Bluetooth. This radio. You can search the radio stations and music, this video, and this Car Auto wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Connect Bluetooth. And this setting for the original car information. Original settings, this light settings. And other settings you can check this panel. This AC settings. This parking sensor settings. And this TPMS, this amplifier, your amplifier factory support amplifier, and other settings. This air information and other settings. This original settings. Okay, and AUX for the video out. This car settings, and let me check the settings. There have day and night. This day and night mode. And language you can change. And this radio, RDS, this audio, DSP amplifier, and video, user system and stereo controls. Supports factory stereo controls and Android setting. It's built in the Wi-Fi and supports the Android 11 system. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth, and please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This is Bluetooth from your phone. You can check this phone screen and head unit screen. And search. You can check Galaxy and there click below context listing refuse and allow. You can allow or refuse. Okay. And connected show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, work with the Bluetooth free phone call. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Okay, work with the Bluetooth and this amplifier, DSP amplifier. You can change the sound in this panel. It's low pass and high pass, strong bass, and sound field is balanced. Okay. This DSP amplifier and it will show the beats music, the Bluetooth music in here, and you can play the music or you can find the music in all apps. Music player. You can play music through the USB. It's USB. It's random. And this choose the play pass and amplifier, DSP amplifier. Okay. And this video you can play the video, support PRP. Okay, this video, and this car auto phone wireless Apple CarPlay, and settings, find the Android settings. It's built in the Wi-Fi. And you can visit our website belsee.com, belse.com. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website. Okay, that's all. Thank you.